Good evening, Noah. This is Joe Walters. First off, I'd like to say I really enjoyed looking over your page. First things that obviously came to my attention is this image here in the center, right here. Really liked this image of you doing video or taking a picture of these groomsmen and the groom. Very nice photo. I mean, obviously, you're the focus of the photo. I kind of would like to know who took this photo, or maybe if it was you with a off a camera timer of some sort. Anyway, great picture. For main page is really well laid out. I watched your demo reel. I really liked the videography in here. It was great. Um, very good lighting. Very well done. Also, I very well worded welcome to your customers. This is great. It's very clear. It's easy to read. It's simple and straight to the point, which is nice. Also, you got and navigate your pages from the bottom of the page. That's great. You get your Facebook, your Twitter, and your Google Plus account here. That's great. That's pretty awesome. And on your about page, on your about page, when it opens, also very very professional. I like the images along the side here, especially this one. Very professional. It kind of looks like a real estate photo actually. Reading your about me, congratulations on everything that you have accomplished prior to Full Sail and during Full Sail, and best of luck for the future. Yeah, this is very well laid out. I like everything I see. Um, I mean, you can find out about your wedding services, your commercials, and your real estate services. That's great. Recent work. I watched actually several videos on this page before coming to do this recording, and they're very nice. The wedding, the wedding ones are obviously really good. I see you do quite a few weddings. Congratulations on that again. Um, I didn't watch either of your commercials, but I mean, you can tell by the image here. They're probably really well done. I've seen the Happy National Oatmeal Day video in prior classes. It was funny. It was funny then. It's still funny. Watched Return of the Billy the Kid today, and it was hysterical. I congratulate you on that. It was very funny. I liked it. Um, Again, all your information laid out here at the bottom, and again, at the top of the page. Very consistent. I like it. You're the only, and this is the only thing I actually have a comment or suggestion on. It's not negative because I mean, obviously, you and I know that if you click the play button and you want to watch this on YouTube in a larger screen, you just click YouTube and it'll bring you to a larger screen. You can watch it up to full screen. That's great. But I think because the average consumer is lazy, it would probably be best if you actually increase the size of the video boxes on the page or added links to their specific address on YouTube. Just because people want stuff laid out for them. And but no, I mean overall that's just a minor thing, and it's not something I would even really consider doing. It's just there's really nothing to point out. Your contact page also very professional. I like you know like the fact you put your map there. I did not think of doing such for my page actually, and I might go back and do that. Um, you've got your message box here. I would actually move your message box up, maybe have it parallel with the map. The only thing here is it does cover up your Facebook, your Twitter, and your Google Plus links that you have here at the bottom next to the copyright. So then again, just a minor thing, something that should be pretty easy to fix. But yeah, overall, this is a beautiful website. It's very attractive. It draws the viewer's eye, and it's very well done. Thank you very much, sir, and you have a good afternoon.